Ever pondered why your mind tricks you into seeing things that aren't real in optical illusions? Well, let's dive right into this intriguing world and embark on a journey of exploration and discovery. Optical illusions in layman's terms are images that deceive our eyes, making us perceive things differently from what they truly are. They are a captivating phenomenon that playfully manipulates our visual perception, tricking our brain into seeing the impossible. Now you might be wondering, how does this happen? The answer lies in the way our brain processes visual information. When we look at something, our brain interprets the data received through our eyes. Most of the time it does a fantastic job. But sometimes with optical illusions the brain gets a bit bamboozled. It interprets the visual stimuli in a way that doesn't match reality, leading us to see things that aren't there. In essence, optical illusions are a fascinating reminder that seeing is not always believing. Now, you might wonder, how does this magic trick of the mind work? Let's delve into the fascinating realm of optical illusions. They're not just simple tricks, but rather intricate deceptions that reveal how our brain interprets visual signals. You see, our brain constantly processes a flood of information from our eyes. Sometimes it needs to fill in the gaps based on past experiences, creating what we perceive as reality. Consider ambiguous illusions. They play on the brain's need for certainty and clarity. These illusions present us with images that can be interpreted in more than one way, causing our brain to flip between different interpretations. Then, there are distortion illusions. They twist and warp our perception of size, length, or curvature, making us see things that aren't there. Remember the classic example of two lines of equal length that appear different because of the angle of the attached arrows? That's a distortion illusion at work. Paradox illusions take us one step further. They present impossible objects that can't exist in three-dimensional reality, yet our brains are tricked into believing they do. Lastly, we have fictional illusions. These are images that are not present in the stimulus, but appear as a result of the brain's inference. So, each type of optical illusion manipulates our perception differently, proving how malleable our reality is. So, the brain's attempt to make sense of the complex visual world around us often culminates in these captivating illusions. Optical illusions, then, are not merely trickery, but a reflection of how our brain works. They are a fascinating interplay of light, perspective, and our own perceptions, a testament to the complexity of our brains. We've explored their intriguing science, how they deceive our eyes, and delved into their varied types. They underscore our mind's adaptability, its constant quest to make sense of the world around us. Next time you come across an optical illusion, remember it's not just a trick, but a testament to the incredible workings of your mind.